everyone, this is Bonnie from Eastern Tech. Today I'm going to sharing our ultrasonic wire welding machine. This is our model EW6040. English touchscreen, easy operation, high precision welding head. The machine is applied for wide range 0.5 minus 20 square millimeter. Can share with one welding head. No easy to change the welding head. And welding wide and narrow welding height and job can be adjusted by the two buttons. Very easy operation machine with high precision. If you need more information about this model, welcome to contact us. Thank you.